Welcome to Feel Healthy, where ancient remedies meet modern science to help you get beautiful, strong, and healthy hair naturally. You've seen thousands of videos saying Vaseline grows hair fast. But what if I told you, most people are using it completely wrong? In fact, applying Vaseline the wrong way can actually block your hair follicles, cause buildup, and even slow down growth. Don't worry, today you'll learn the right and safe way to use Vaseline for real hair growth and shine. Vaseline isn't just for skin, it can work wonders for dry, damaged, and lifeless hair too. But before you grab that jar, watch carefully till the end, because one small mistake can ruin your scalp health instead of helping your hair grow. Why Vaseline can help. Vaseline works as a moisture sealant. It locks in hydration, prevents dryness, and protects hair ends from breaking. It helps reduce split ends, adds shine, and protects your hair from harsh winter air. But remember, Vaseline itself doesn't grow new hair, it creates the perfect environment for hair growth by keeping your hair hydrated and healthy. The biggest mistake people make. Most people rub Vaseline directly on their scalp or roots, and that's where everything goes wrong. Vaseline is thick and non-water soluble, it can clog hair follicles, trap dust, and block new growth. So if your roots feel greasy or itchy after using it, this is why. The secret? Never apply Vaseline to your scalp, only from mid-length to the ends. The right way to use Vaseline. Here's how to do it the right way. Step 1. Take only 1/2 teaspoon of Vaseline, just a tiny amount. Step 2. Mix it with your favorite oil, like coconut, almond, or castor oil, to make it smooth and easy to apply. Step 3. Warm it slightly using the double boiler method. Step 4. Apply gently on hair strands and ends, never on roots. Step 5. Leave it for 30 to 45 minutes and wash with a mild shampoo. Use once or twice a week for soft, glossy hair. Glycerin Magic Plus Hair Type Customization. To make your Vaseline hair treatment even more powerful, add glycerin. Glycerin attracts moisture, and Vaseline locks it in, making your hair stay hydrated for hours. But every hair type needs a different combo. Here's your perfect blend. Dry and frizzy hair. Mix. 1/2 teaspoon Vaseline, 1 tablespoon coconut oil, 1/2 teaspoon glycerin, 2 drops vitamin E oil. Reason. Locks moisture, smooths frizz, adds shine. Tip. Apply only on hair length, not on scalp. Oily hair, greasy scalp. Mix. 1/4 of a teaspoon Vaseline, 1 tablespoon aloe vera gel, 1/2 teaspoon argan oil. Reason. Lightweight formula that hydrates without making hair greasy. Tip. Apply only on ends or dry areas, avoid roots completely. Normal hair. Mix. 1/2 teaspoon Vaseline, 1 tablespoon castor oil, 1/2 teaspoon glycerin. Reason. Strengthens strands and prevents split ends. Tip. Apply mid-length to ends once a week. Curly or coarse hair. Mix. 1 teaspoon Vaseline, 1 tablespoon shea butter, or olive oil, 1/2 teaspoon glycerin. Reason. Deep nourishment, softness, and curl definition. Tip. Focus on dry sections and ends. Damaged, chemically treated hair. Mix. 1/2 teaspoon Vaseline, 1 tablespoon almond oil, 1/2 teaspoon glycerin. Few drops of rose oil. Reason. Repairs dryness and adds healthy shine. Tip. Leave for 30 minutes and rinse with mild shampoo. For very dry hair, add a few drops of vitamin E oil. For frizzy hair, add argan oil or jojoba oil. Never sleep overnight with Vaseline in your hair, it's too heavy. So, Vaseline isn't bad for your hair, you just need to use it the right way. Try this winter hair hack and see the difference. Thank you for watching.